Welcome back to Shop Talk. This week's topic, effective listening in the automotive industry. Effective listening is a critical skill in any professional environment, but is especially important in the automotive service industry. As service professionals, it is essential to listen to the concerns and needs of our customers to provide them with the best possible service and build trust and long-lasting relationships. Let's explore why effective listening is crucial and provide some best practices to do it effectively in our professional automotive service environment. Why is effective listening important? Improves communication. Good listening skills enable you to understand your customers' needs and expectations, which leads to better communication and reduces misunderstandings. Builds trust. When customers feel that their concerns are being heard and addressed, it creates trust and strengthens the relationship between the customer and the service professional. Increases customer satisfaction. Effective listening leads to more accurate and efficient service, which in turn results in increased customer satisfaction. Improves problem-solving skills. By actively listening, you can identify the root cause of a problem, leading to more effective and efficient solutions. Here are some best practices for effective listening in automotive service. Pay attention. Focus all of your attention on the customer and give them your undivided attention. Ask questions. Encourage the customer to share their concerns and needs by asking open-ended questions. Paraphrase. Repeat what the customer has said to confirm that you have understood their needs and to show that you are actively listening. Avoid distractions. Eliminate distractions such as phones, computer screens, and other distractions to ensure that you can give the customer your full attention. Empathize. Put yourself in the customer's shoes and understand their perspective to build rapport and show that you care about their needs. In conclusion, effective listening is a crucial skill in the automotive service industry, and it is important to understand why and how to do it effectively. By paying attention, asking questions, paraphrasing, avoiding distractions, and empathizing, you can improve communication, build trust, increase customer satisfaction, and solve problems more effectively. By incorporating these best practices into your professional routine, you will be well on your way to becoming an effective listener and providing excellent service to your customers. Want more Shop Talk? Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as well as follow our other social media platforms for more free content to help your shop reach its greatest potential.